Welcome to Bike Lab, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world. In today's video, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia RSV 660, a bike that promises to push the boundaries of sport bikes. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Aprilia RSV 660 maintains its aggressive, modern styling, blending sharp lines and aerodynamic curves. With a sleek angular front end, it's designed to carve through the air, giving the bike a dynamic look that matches its performance. The compact dimensions and sporty stance make it look ready to hit the track, while maintaining the everyday usability that makes it a favorite for road enthusiasts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV 660 is a 660cc parallel twin engine, offering a fine balance between power and agility. For 2025, the engine sees minor tweaks, enhancing its mid-range power and smoothness, making it more responsive at all speeds. The bike now boasts improved throttle response and a refined exhaust note, making it even more enjoyable on twisty roads or tight tracks. Tech features and electronics. Aprilia's advanced electronics package takes the RSV 660 to the next level. With a refined ride-by-wire system, multiple riding modes and traction control, this bike offers optimal performance regardless of conditions. The 2025 model comes with a fully adjustable suspension and a larger TFT display for clear handling and comfort. The 2025 RSV 660 continues to shine when it comes to handling. With its light and nimble frame, the bike delivers confidence-inspiring cornering and stability. The revised ergonomics ensure that riders, whether on the road or the track, can experience comfort without sacrificing performance. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better feel, offering both precision and comfort. Price and availability. While details on exact pricing are still to be confirmed, expect the 2025 Aprilia RSV 660 to stay in a competitive price range for its class. Its advanced features and performance make it a strong contender in the mid-range sport bike category, offering superb value for riders who want both daily usability and track-ready thrills. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RSV 660 is shaping up to be a true standout in the sport bike segment. With its refined performance, tech upgrades, and handling prowess, it's a motorcycle that offers excitement on every ride. Whether you're a seasoned track rider or someone looking for a spirited road bike, the RSV 660 might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest from Bike Lab.